Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, students, let's start the class. In the last class, what we were talking was about the post-fertilization changes, right? We have talked about the development of the male gametocyte, the female gametocyte, talked about pollination, fertilization, and after fertilization, we are talking about the developments that we see after fertilization. When we talk after fertilization or when we talk about the events after fertilization, we have spoken about or we have discussed about one type of development, that is the endosperm development. Endosperm development in the last class of Korisu, and what we remember that formation of endosperm or formation of, to be precise, formation or double fertilization is a unique characteristic of angiosperms. So double fertilization of karone angiosperms are কি form করে endosperm form করে, and talking about endosperms we have talked about the different types of endosperm depending on how it is developed. Today we are going to start with the embryo development. I think in the last class we have just started 2 lines about it, right? We have stopped the class up till there. So Aji will continue with that. Heading koriba development of embryo. Right? Under this heading, as I said in the last class, we have to talk in detail about the development of the zygote embryo and also about the monocot embryo, right? Zygote embryo to keneke develop kore, monocot embryo to keneke develop kore. Hey, embryo to sabon lagile, what we have to do, we have to see the inside of a seed, etc., etc. Right? So, yar arambhoni kini moi likhaisu niki. Last class of আমি কিহত stop কৰিছো we I think we talked about the formation of embryo in the micropyle area. সেইটো লাইন লিখাইছো নেকি নে নাই লিখোৱা লিখাইছে ন এইখিনি হৈছে ন so আজি লিখিবা development of embryo heading কৰি পেলাই যিহেতু continuation ন so development of zygote embryo heading কৰা right তাতে point লিখি লও আমি the most common type
Ma'am, ma'am, আগৰ দিনা development of zygote embryo বুলি heading কৰি থব দিছিল
zygote embryo হা
ma'am zygote embryo কৰি থব দিছিল ন আগৰ দিনা development of
হা কাৰণ আমি embryo development দুটা sentence we have already written in the last class. Our time was over and so we could not continue. So আজি আমি continue কৰিম, right? We'll start with the zygote embryo. হ'ব?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes? কোনোবাই কিবা সুধিছা নেকি?
Ma'am, itu কি লিখিছে FAM
family crucifery Crucifery, Cruciferee, crucifery or vesicacy. Right? So the most common type of dicot embryo was studied in shepherd's purse. It's a plant, a plant name shepherd's purse. Scientific name is Capsula bursa castoris that belongs to the family Crucifery or Vesicaceae. আৰু এনেকুৱা type of embryo যোনটো নেকি এইটো প্লান্টত পঢ়িছিলে that type of embryo is called as crucifer or onagra type of embryo depending on which plant we are talking about, right? বেলেগ plant of বেলেগ types of embryo formation দেখা যায়, right? So embryo formation we have already I think if you remember we have talked about certain terms called as monosporic, bisporic, tetrasporic, এইবিলাক words আমি previous class of কৈছো. Now what we are discussing is embryo কি হয় যে different plants of আমি কেতিয়াবা কিছুমান changes দেখা পাও, কিন্তু the most common type that was considered is obviously the crucifer and onagra type. Then we are talking about a dicot. এটা first study কৰিব লাগিব ন, তাৰ পিছতহে আমি আইডিয়াটো পাম. So crucifer or onagra type is the thing that we are going to discuss now. এইখিনি লিখি লোৱা. কিবা স্পেলিং বুজি নাপালে কবা.
Ma'am, Capsula bursa
Pastoris, Pastoris, Pastoris.
Okay, ma'am.
এইখিনি হল নেকি লিখা?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think I can drop the word. লিখি আছা? ঠিক আছে. Once you are done, কবা মোক. So আমি যোনটো embryo development পঢ়িম এতিয়া, right? That is which type of embryo? It is onagra type or crucifer type of embryo. Crucifer type or onagra type কিয় কাৰণে কৈছে? Because it belongs to the family called as Crucifery.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next is we have to see that how does the embryo develops, no? Dicot plant embryo to keneke develop kore. Before that we know the embryo is a product of fertilization between the pollen, I mean the male gamete and the egg, no? Duita fuse kore end into end will give you a cell called as twice that is called as a zygote. Zygote ultimately key form kore embryo. So zygote of embryo keneke form kore. This is what we are going to learn now. As far as this content is concerned, আমি কি করি? We are not going to write it in sentences. Instead, we are going to learn it through a diagram. ঠিক আছে? So তোমালোকে diagramটো আঁকি ল'বা. Diagramটো বুজি পালে there is no point that you should write it in the form of a sentence. Boardত চাবা, since we are talking about the embryo, আমি কোনটো cellৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰিম? What is the starting cell?
Zygote.
Starting cell কি হ'ব? It is the zygote, right? So suppose this is the zygote. Right? It a zygote is one cell to divide kori keneke embryo form. Before drawing, another thing that you have to pay interest is the embryo to kuntu side of form kore ami jano je micropylar side of form kore, right? So in this diagram, this side would be the micropylar end, this side would be the cellulose end. Eta to ami jano sake no, we remember this part, right? Eta ami ki kom micropylar and this end would be called as a cellulose. So we are talking about the zygote formation in this part. Is the point clear? So micropylar end or zygote ase. So next, what happens to the zygote? The zygote undergoes cell division. And forms two cells. One is called as the basal cell, and the other terminal cell, or is the writing clear? দেখা পাইছা ভালকে?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
দেখা
ma'am.
পোৱা নাই কোনখিনি?
ওপৰৰখিনি।
এইখিনি দেখা নাই? কোনো দেখা নাই, অকল তুমি দেখা নাই?
টাৰ্মিনেলৰ টি দেখা নাযায়, তাতে ফকাছ কৰিছে আৰু তলত যদি
Oh, because of the focus, right? Terminal cell,
Yes, ma'am,
or
there is slide.
yes. Please mute your audio. Terminal cell, or it is also called as embryonal cell. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next, the terminal cell will divide and redivide and will form a collection of 4 cells. And this basal cell will also divide to form a row of cells called as a center.
হস্টেৰিয়েল চেলটো অলপ ডাঙৰ থাকিব ন
Telegram orang inang unang ah.
এইকেইটাতকে অকমান ডাঙৰ। Yeah?
Mamane kilari bilu no male kilari.
आंनाव मोनसे बा इंलिसखौ नायनो हागोन ना हाया मोजां
Hindi dapat nama hindi dah.
दं मोनसे
I think someone has forgotten to mute the audio. Please mute your audio.
Ma'am, hosterial cell to suspensor ভিতৰত পৰিবনে?
Hosterial cell to?
Suspensor টোৰ ভিতৰত তাৰ ভিতৰতে পৰিবনে বেলেগকে হেতু?
নাই, এটা সাসপেন্সৰৰ ভিতৰত এইডাল চোৱা, এইডাল এৰোহেড এইখিনিলৈকে। Last cell of the suspensor towards the micropyle would be considered as a hosterial cell. Whatever Akil, then we'll discuss.
Now, upward key due to from.
Due to
Huh?
Upward key due to from.
Divide to form pro-embryo. এই স্ট্রাকচারটোক আমি pro-embryo বুলি কৈছো। ঠিক আছে?
To pro-embryonal octet.
Yes. এটা কাম কৰাচোন pro-embryonal octantটো এইপিনে মাৰ্ক কৰা।
লিখি পেলাইছো এইপিনে।
একো নহয়, একো নহয়।
Ma'am, pro-embryonal octantor তলৰটো কি লিখিছে?
এইটো hypophysis. HYPOPHYSIS. Hypophysis.
Ma'am, cell of the
PHY
HYPOPHYSIS. Hypophysis.
ma'am, cell of the
Cell of the suspensor that attaches with the octant. Next.
Embryo octet or what?
What is that?
Pro-embryo, the one octet or what? Can't able to speak.
Yeah, OCTANT, octant. What is the octant? 8-cell structure. It is a octant. This round
No, ma'am,
portion
this
is considered.
is
Huh? Your voice is not coming clearly. Your voice is not clear. Actually, I could not understand. Anyway, OCTANT, octant.
No, ma'am. This one pro-embryo or what? Can't understand.
This
Yes,
is
this
pro-embryonal
one.
octant. Yeah, this one.
Okay, thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Pro-embryonal octant. Is it clear now?
Ma'am, আপুনি ডটটো যে এটা দিয়া নাই নে থাকি গ'ল বাৰু?
Oh, sorry. চাবা ইয়াতে কি লিখিছে ধৰিব নোৱাৰিলে মোক কবা
ওপৰতো কি লিখিছে ডিভিজনৰ ওপৰত ওয়ার্ডটো কি লিখিছে প্ৰি তাৰ
কোনটো
পিছত
পদ এইটো periclinal division of the octant octante periclinal division কৰিব Can you see the different colors? Is it visible?
yes ma'am
Okay. Can you see this part where I am writing 15?
yes ma'am
Okay. মই যোনটো লিখি আছো এইটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নাই চোৱাচোন
ফিলমিল লিখিছে নেকি
এতিয়া এট প্ৰেজেন্ট মই যেটো লিখি আছো এইটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নাই
নাই মেম
মেম প্লিমিউলেন কটিলেডন লিখিছে নেকি
yes লিউমিল আৰু কটলেডন এতিয়া ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে
yes মেম
হৈছে
মেম প্লুমিনেল কোটিলেডন মানে ওপৰৰ আধা পাৰ্টটো নি
আধা পার্ট ফোর এখানে পার্ট এই লাইনডাল দেখিছা ন এই লাইনডালৰ ওপৰৰ পাৰ্টটো প্লুমিনেল কটিলেডন আৰু তলৰ পাৰ্টটো হাইপোকোটাইল
ওকে মেম
मैम ये
হাইপোকোটাইল
कोटा
ক'ত মাৰ্ক কৰিছো চাবা দেই ক্লিয়াৰলি
मैम हाइपो की
হাইপোকোটাইল COTYL
मैम এটা কি লিখিছে ৰুট তাৰ পিছত
কোনটো ৰুট কৰ্টেক্স
কি
এতিয়া মই যোনটো লিখি আছো
হয়
হয় মেম
ৰুট কৰ্টেক্স শুনিছা নাই
यस मैम
so that is cortex actually red color to the likhile clear hoy no bhalke
यस मैम
এতিয়া হৈছে okay এতিয়া সোয়া প্ৰত্যেকটো বস্তু ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নে নাই ঠিক আছে we have started with this one arrowhead saba bhalke the second diagram is this one third diagram A2 fourth diagram is this one and finally we have this diagram This is the cell and this is microfile.
Ma'am, ma'am, apuni root cap and root tip likhise. Root tip to hai green part to color to niki.
Green part of chosma 8টা cell আছে no 8 cells are present. তাৰ ভিতৰত তলৰ 4টা root cap and root tip.
Okay, ma'am.
মেম
Hmm.
মেম ওপৰত সেইখিনি কি লিখিলে দেখা পোৱা নাই
কোনটো portion? এই মাত্ৰ যোনটো লিখিছো
মেম
এইটো portion
Yes, ma'am.
figure development of dicot embryo. তলত লিখিলে হ'ব একো কথা নাই. My board is small.
এটা কেনেকে কোৱেশ্চন আহিব
ইয়াৰ পৰা কেনেকে question আহিব কৈ আছো ৰবা diagram to whole নে কি আকা সবৰে
হ'ল মেম
হ'ল মেম
Hello? Okay. Now let's see the explanation. So instead of writing it in sentence, I mean diagram to take process to buji jam. And since we are preparing for our entrance, so obviously diagram to akibole ketiao nahe. Second diagram to identify koribole gute diagram to di ni diye. Okay, so kenuka dhoroner questions I will discuss. Let us know the process. Since we are talking about the embryo, so obviously we are starting from the zygote, right? Zygote ki koribo? It will divide into two cells, the basal cell and the terminal cell. Basal cell is comparatively larger. Terminal cell is comparatively smaller. Because it's equal division now. Next, this terminal cell will divide and re-divide and form a collection of 4 cells. And this 4-cell structure is called as the pro-embryo. Ami ki pohi aso development of embryo. Kinte etia in any place of the diagram embryo word to dekhisa niki okol embryo word to dekhisa ami to we are not studying development of the pro embryo. The topic for our study is development of the embryo. Now in any part of the diagram can you see the word embryo alone?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, it's all pro embryo, right? Why? Because if you want to talk or if you want to say something as an embryo, in case of a dicot, it should have a proper shape. Eta proper shape thakilehe ami embryo kom. Before formation of that proper shape, all other steps would be considered as the pro embryo. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So first we have seen the formation of a 4-cell proembryo, and this basal cell has divided to form the suspensor, right? So divided and divided to form a long suspensor of around 6 to 10 cells, right? So we have this long suspensor, and the last cell of the suspensor would be acting or would be called as a hostorial cell. Now, whenever we are talking about the word hostoria or hostorial cell, what is the function of a hostoria is to absorb nutrients, right? So, hostoria, what to thakile, you have to understand that we are talking about that cell will help in taking in or absorbing nutrients. Next, another work of a suspensor, a suspensor to come we'll discuss later. First, let me talk about this. Right, proembryo, this long suspensor, what is the next step? This 4-cell structure divided and formed an 8-cell structure. Yes or no? 4-cell asile, eta kiman form korile? 8-cell? Agote kiman asile? 4-cell. So we are using the word called as octet. Proembryo, 4-cell proembryo formed 8-cell proembryo, and when we are talking about the suspensor, the cell that attaches with the proembryo enlarges, and this is now called as the hypophysis. So hypophysis ki hoy? A cell to kihor cell? Suspensor cell, but it was attached with the proembryo. This hypophysis now will divide and re-divide to form a collection of 8 cells. So eta cell of divide kori tahate eta group form koribo kimanta group or 8-celled group. As far as this is concerned, this 8-celled octant, it will undergo periclinal division. You have to remember this word. ठीक है? Periclinal division. What is periclinal division? Division that occurs parallel to the cell wall. Yes. So we have 16 cells first. This 16 cells divided and ultimately they form, sorry, we had 8 cells. 8 cells divided and ultimately what is the number of cells they form? 16. Right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Right? So from this zygote, ultimately we have seen a structure like this. Now, since we are talking about the development of the embryo, we are concerned with the parts that the embryo forms. Eta embryo key form korbo. Ultimately, baby plant dale form no korbo jano. From the embryo, what is right? Obviously, the baby plant, right? So we have to talk about the pleumal and we have to talk about the radicle. And next is in this structure, which part exactly forms the pleumal and which part will form the radicle. In this structure, the upper cells, upper 8 cells will be responsible for forming the pleumal and the cotyledon. And when in case of dicots, what is the number of cotyledon that we talk about?
2.
2 cotyledon. So pleumal form korbo, cotyledon form korbo. What is pleumal? Pleumal ke? Or pleumal give rise to which part of the plant?
Upper part. Leaves, stems.
Shoot is the word that we use. Okay, so pleumal would be responsible to giving, or it is the shoot system that arises from the pleumal and the root system that arises from the radicle. Okay, so this upper part would be responsible for forming the pleumal and the cotyledon, and this lower cells would form hypocotyle. Hypocotyle and epicotyle. Ebu words hunisa niki agote? These words are related to that diagram. I think you all have studied the structure of a dicot seed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
we'll talk about it. Okay, hypocotyle. Hypocotyle is that area from which the radicle develops. That is what is called as hypocotyle in a simple meaning. So this part will form the hypocotyle, and below the hypocotyle, we have a cell called as what? Hypophysis. Hypophysis is a cell form korile. Out of this, the first 4 cells will give rise to root cortex, and the lower 4 cells would give rise to root cap and root tip. Ekin loke bostuto clear hoise na nai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suspension cell mane eto 6 er para 8 leke mane cell thakibo no 11 hobo noaribo
Yes.
ba ete 5 hobo
No,
noaribo.
no. Obviously, there are exceptions. There are exceptions, but generally the common type that we see is a collection of 6 to 10 cells.
Okay.
You cannot say that it cannot be 5 or it cannot be 11. Exceptions in many plants occur, right? But the common type is within 6 to 10.
Ma'am, ইয়াত কিবা radical বুলিও থাকে নেকি?
Oh, radical thake mo ahi aso. Okay, so I think I can rub the diagram, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ekin loke musu, eto thakok.
Suna bhai.
Okay, so pleumal and radical, no? Radical kune form korbe. A hypocotyle aru a root cap and root tip ultimately will form the radical. Clear?
মানে গুটেটোকে কয় radical বুলি ন? একেলগে গুটেটোক কব নেকি?
Is it clear? So we have seen the word pleumal and we have seen the word radical also. Now let's come to the word called as embryo. Etialake jibilak words that we were talking about, we were discussing the concept of pro-embryo and not an embryo. So if you have to say a structure as an embryo, especially in case of a dicot, that is a particular shape thakibo lagibo. And what is the shape? Do any student know about the shape of a dicot embryo? If you are talking about this shape, when we are using the word pro-embryo, what is the shape of a pro-embryo? Ki dekhise? Aki sase kenege akise? Gul ke aka nai jano?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what is the shape of a pro-embryo? It is globular or generally round. From this round structure, it has to turn into a first heart-shaped structure, and from the heart-shaped structure, it has to turn to a horseshoe-shaped structure. এই তিনটা হওয়ার পিছত finally যেতিয়া horseshoe-shaped structure হ'ব, at that time we can use the word embryo. So what we need to know is initially or at the beginning, লিখা at the beginning, the embryo is lobular. Lobular means round, right? From that globular structure changes to a heart-shaped structure, and this heart-shaped structure ultimately changes to a horseshoe-shaped structure, which is the embryo. So, আমি embryo word to কেতিয়া use কৰিম in case of a dicot when the shape is horseshoe shape. So, the first question that is asked is, what is the shape of a dicot embryo? The shape of a dicot embryo is horseshoe. If you are talking about its beginning, beginning to কেনেকে হয়? From a round structure, round over কি হ'ব? Heart shaped হ'ব, heart shaped over কি হ'ব? Horseshoe. So, this point is important, right?
Ma'am, horseshoe shape পৰা তাৰ পিছত embryo হ'ব ন?
নহয়, this horseshoe shaped structure is called embryo. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, just see. We were talking about a pro-embryo like this, right? Almost round. So, something like this, right? So, if a globular structure needs to get transformed into a heart-shaped structure, ultimately, we will see that there would be more cell division in this part and this part. Yes or no? At a round structure, this has to turn into like this. Then, obviously, there should be more cell division in this part and this part, right? So, what we see is, in the formation of an embryo from a pro-embryo, this is the development that it occurs, right? So, enake develop korar pisote, what we will have is, suppose we are talking about this one, right? It is structure to kenekwa hoy ase etias person. Okay, coming to this diagram, no? These cells that were the part of the suspensor, right? Eblak ki hobo gradually degenerate hoy jabo. So what is left with is only this part and the cells of the hypophysis. Is the point clear? Etia diagram dot ki dekhisu, we are seeing all the cells, but gradually what happens? This part will degenerate and this part will only remain. Clear? So ultimately, ki hobo? So we will see a structure like this, where this part would be considered as a portion too, right? Ekhini ase, ekhini pora ki hol, je eneke expand hoy gol, ha? This part, eneke bahi gol, tar pisot ki hol, heart shaped hoy gol. This part is the hypocotyle that we have drawn here, and then we will have the other cells. And these cells will ultimately form the root cap, root tip, etc. And if you're talking about this, So ultimately ইয়াৰ পৰা কি হ'ব বেবি প্লেন ডাল হ'ব first globular আছিলে globular to heart shape হ'ল heart shape হৈ যাওঁতে মই কি ক'লো যে এইটো সাইডৰ অকন বেছি ডিভিজন হ'ব এইটো সাইডৰ বেছি ডিভিজন হ'ব so this protruded part will act as this is a cotyledon this will also behave as a cotyledon right so gradually after this globular তাৰপিছত heart shape and after this কি হ'ব this cotyledons will keep on growing এনেকে এনেকে বাঢ়ি বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব বাঢ়ি বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকি পেলাই কি হ'ব at one time it will bend so the structure almost would be like this this is a very rough diagram just to understand okay so কি হ'ল বেছি হৈ পেলাই cotyledons বিলাক কি হ'ল এই দুটা যে protruded part হৈছিলে এই দুটা part ultimately কি form কৰিলে cotyledons form কৰিলে this cotyledons will keep on growing and ultimately they will bend এইটো কি হ'ব it will bend like this and this one will bend this one and ultimately we will have this one
মেম আপোনাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো পজ হৈ গ'ল
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, pause the video.
is it visible now
Yes, ma'am.
এইটো কি কৈছো heart
মেম ব্লাৰ হৈ আছে স্ক্ৰীনখন
Ma'am, blur হৈ আছে।
blur just wait
আকৌ এবাৰ বুজাই দিবচোন ইনফৰ লাষ্টত
okay স্ক্ৰীনটো দেখা পাইছা নে এটা বৰ্ডখন দেখা পাইছা নাই
No, ma'am.
Blur হৈ আছে।
blur হৈছে
Hi, ma'am.
কি হ'ল
মেম তলত কি লিখিছে হৰ্স শু
shaped এটা ওপৰতো heart shaped এতিয়া অকণ বৰ্ডখন দেখিছানে
ইয়েস ম্যাম এটা ঠিকে আছে
ইয়েস মেম
ঠিক আছে ওকে এই দুটা আঁকা হ'ল নেকি এইখিনি আঁকা হৈছে আকৌ এবাৰ বুজাই দিওঁ okay I will just explain once more so this is a structure that we had ইয়াৰ পিছত কি হ'ব মই কি কৈছো এইখিনি cells degenerate হৈ যাব so we'll have a round structure like this and we will have these cells আঠটা cells যোনকেইটা আছিল এটা ইয়াত form কৰিব right so ইয়াৰ পৰা কি হ'ব this globular structure এইটো কি হয় globular right এই globular টো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব লাগিব heart shaped হৈ যাব লাগিব এই heart shaped হোৱাৰ লগে লগে ইয়াতে কি হ'ব এইখিনি portion অকন বেছিকে বাঢ়ি যাব similarly এইখিনি portion অকন বেছিকে বাঢ়ি যাব এই যে দুটা portion বেছি বাঢ়ি গ'ল so it has taken the shape of a heart and this portion will ultimately work as a key cotyledon ডাইকট যিহেতু দুটা কটিলিডেন এমব্ৰায়টো প্ৰ এমব্ৰায়ো আছে প্ৰ এমব্ৰায়ৰ পৰা কটিলিডেন্স বিলাক ডেভেলপ কৰিব কটিলিডেন্স কেইটা দুটা and what will happen this cotyledon will keep on growing এইটো গ্ৰো কৰি থাকিব এইটো গ্ৰো কৰি থাকিব কিমান গ্ৰো কৰিব গ্ৰো কৰি কৰি আলটিমেটলি কি হ'ব যে এই বস্তুটো ইয়ালে বেন্ড হৈ যাব this part right and similarly this cotyledon that was growing like this will at one time will bend over it বুঝি পাইছা নেকি
পাইছো মেম
প্ৰথমতে কেনেকে গ্ৰো কৰিছিলে ষ্ট্ৰেইট কে ন ষ্ট্ৰেইট কে গ্ৰো কৰি বেন্ড হৈ গ'ল ঠিক তেনেকে বেবি প্লান্টৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমাৰ
Length will be same one.
হা
Ma'am, length will be same. Length will be same.
বুঝি পোৱা নাই কোৱাচোন আকৌ এবাৰ
মেম লেন্থটো
Length
সেম
of
হ'ব নেকি
the
সুধিছে
length of the cotyledon will be same.
the voice is not clear what is
Length of the cotyledon will be same.
ইংলিছত চাগে
I'm so sorry.
Length of cotyledon.
I cannot understand your voice কোনোবাই বুজি পাইছে নেকি
নো মেম নেটৱৰ্ক
মেম কিবা লেন্থৰ কথা কৈছে
হা হা
মেম লেন্থৰ কথা কৈছে কিবা
length কি length
Length of the cotyledon will be same.
the cotyledon or length of the cotyledon you are talking about the two cotyledons yes
Yes, ma'am.
yes ultimately I can hear you right so this will also grow at the same rate this will also grow at the same rate and ultimately one will bend over the other right so if this one is here and this one is bending over this one so obviously if you make it straight and then if you calculate the length this will be slightly bigger than this one because it has to bend over another one right but that's a point that we are not concerned over here what we are concerned is how did the globular pro-embryo has taken the shape of a horseshoe shape right so this part is called as the horseshoe shape so ultimately globular to horseshoe hold keneke hold by the growth of the two embryo by the growth of the two cotyledons right so egita ami ki boli koiso cotyledons clear now since we have talked about the embryo just remember we have talked or the first cell that we have talked about is the zygote zygote over key develop kore division hoi they have formed a globular structure that's 16 cells from the 16 cells since with the development of the cotyledons it has taken a different shape that is a horseshoe shape and ultimately we have the embryo now if you want to see the embryo in a plant which part will you see এডাল প্লেন্টৰ যদি এমব্ৰায়ো চাব বিচাৰিছা কি বস্তু চাবা তোমালোকে কিহৰ ভিতৰত এমব্ৰায়ো থাকিব the embryo would be present inside dash of a plant where exact inside the
Fruits.
inside the fruit
Ovule.
inside
And seed.
Seed.
exactly a baby plant arises from a seed right so where will be the embryo the embryo will obviously be present inside the seed so if you want to see that embryo right so they have a better idea if you're talking about a dicot seed see we have talked about the development of this dicot embryo now right so if you're talking about the dicot seed because inside the dicot seed you're going to see the embryo so the diagram is something like this two cotyledons
মেম দুটা কোটিলিডেন্স এটা ডাঙৰ হ'ব আৰু এটা সৰু হ'ব নেকি?
না না নহয় একেই হ'ব
ইকুৱেল
ডায়াগ্ৰামটো নেকি
মেম ইকুৱেল সাইজ হ'ব
Apple have an example.
হা
Apple have an example.
এক্সাম্পল মই দি আছো এটা তুমি সিডটো চাই লোৱা ডাইকট সিডৰ এই ডাইকট সিডৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো আহে ডায়াগ্ৰামটো দি দিলে মাত্ৰ মাৰ্কিংটো দেখাব লাগিব
আমি টু কোটিলিডেন্স নেকি?
এই ৰেড লাইনটো দেখিছানে
Yes, ma'am.
I am drawing the axis, okay? এনেকুৱা লাইন নাথাকে কিন্তু this is just the axis. মোৰ এটা কটলিজন বহুত ডাঙৰ হৈ গৈছে ন So dicot seed etar আমি parts বিলাক জানিব লাগিব I think the diagram is over right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. আৰু এটো কি হয় মাৰ্ক কৰাই নাই cotyledon right so if you are talking about dicot seed obviously it will have two cotyledons right and the point of attachment of the two cotyledons suppose etu eta cotyledon আৰু etu eta cotyledon এই পইণ্টটোক আমি কি বুলি কম cotyledonary node is the point clear
Yes, ma'am.
right দুটা cotyledon jod lage right from this cotyledonary node right this is the point of attachment cotyledonary node or jonkini uporar portion right aru eta tolor portion ase right the portion that is above the cotyledonary node would be called as okay, epicotyle and this portion that is below the cotyledonary node would be called as hypocotyle is the word epicotyle and hypocotyle clear
Yes, ma'am.
the portion above the cotyledonary node is called as epicotyle it is from the epicotyle that the plumule will arise the portion below the cotyledonary node is called as hypocotyle and from the hypocotyle the radial will arise clear
Yes, ma'am.
yes apart from that this is also an important word we have an embryonal axis and whenever we talk about the axis obviously this is hypothetical enekwa nohoy je eta line aka ase right so it is a hypothetical axis the embryonal axis is always called as tigulum so question might be asked is what is tigulum so tigulum is the embryonal axis now what is the type of question a question could be a diagram type of question because it is structure to deal and you would be asked to mark the epicotyle the hypocotyle the tigulum etc so eta to ami parim thake na diagram to di dile parim ne noim
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Parim,
right
ma'am.
no okay so this was all about the development of the dicot embryo we are talking about post fertilization events embryo ketia form kore after fertilization how does the embryo develop we have to talk about the development of the dicot embryo and development of monocot embryo the one that we have just studied is a dicot embryo right keneke develop kore from that single cell called as zygote from that it has developed to a ultimately two-shaped structure and that is what is called as the embryo and from the embryo we see the development of the baby plant the next thing that we need to study is development of a monocot embryo so heading koriba development of a monocot embryo Similarly, he line to likhibo lagibo the common type
Nuzula posterior common name কি?
Common name নাই. It's not found here. In case of dicot, we have read a word called as the crucifer or onagra type of embryo. And in case of monocot, we are talking about a Sagittaria type of embryo.
Ma'am, Sagittaria, no.
Oh, Sagittaria, Sagittaria type of embryo. Next is the diagram. Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आपको diagrammatic study अगर कोई. So again, since we are talking about the embryo, it is starting from zygote. Again, this is the micropylar end. This is the silagel end. Right. This time, this cell will also undergo division and form two cells. It's almost the same with the dicot. I think you all remember we have said a sentence saying that if you're talking about embryo development, the initial steps of embryo development, either it is in dicot or it is in monocot, is exactly the same. Right? প্ৰথমখিনি stage এনেকুৱা. ইয়াতে properly যদি আপনি
বেসেল সেলৰ তললৈকে কি লিখিছে লেটাৰ
later degenerate. come to this structure. So from the zygote, we had a 2-cell structure. From the 2-cell structure, we had a 3-cell structure. The basal cell will later degenerate. So ultimately, out of these cells, who will form the embryo? This one. And upper cell or the top cell will form what? It will form the cotyledon. And this time also, when the cotyledon will keep on growing, আমি যেনেকে ডাইকটত দেখিছো, no? What we have seen is once the cotyledon keeps on growing, it bends over, right? So similarly, exactly the same we are going to see here also. This part will divide and redivide and form a group of cells, and this would form the embryo. And this cell will ultimately, কি হবো? It will bend over. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will see a structure.
Middle cell hall niki.
Terminal cell to divide হৈ পেলাই দুটা cell form কৰিলে, এটা middle cell আৰু এটা terminal cell. So we will see a basal cell to পিছত নাইকিয়া হৈ যাব. Basal cell or we will see the embryo. আৰু তাৰ পৰা যোনটো cotyledon আছিলে, it will bend. This embryo যোনটো tip আছে, এই tip খিনি, it will be covered with sheets of cells. Actually, cotyledon to ইমান ডাঙৰ নহয়, কাৰণ we are talking about what? We are talking about monocots, and in case of monocot, they will have a single cotyledon which is thin and papery, right? So it will be a small structure. This point of attachment where the cotyledon will attach itself with the embryo would be called as cotyledonary node. This part would be called as কি হবো? Cotyledonary node ওপৰৰ পাৰ্টটোক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Epicotyle. Epicotyle পৰা কি arise হয়? Plumel, right? এটা diagram.
উপৰৰ পোৰ্শনটো কি?
মেম
উপৰৰ খিনি কি লিখিছে?
Coleoptile আৰু coleorhiza.
Coleoptile.
Coleoptile and coleorhiza. Right. So we had one cell from the zygote, two cell or 3-cell structure ta form korle. Middle cell will form the embryo, and the top cell will form the cotyledon, which will bend over, right? As far as the basal cell is concerned, this basal cell will later degenerate. Eto aka hol niki?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, এই দুটা পাৰ্ট সাইটৰ হেতু কোপা আহিলে মানে?
Ekini.
হেতু পাৰ্ট এটো কোটিলেজন টাৰ্মিনেল সেলৰ পৰা আহিলে ন?
হা।
মানে হেডখৰ বুজি নাপালো কোন লোক
embryo এই গুটেইখিনি পাৰ্টটো embryo.
মেম ওপৰৰ পোৰ্শন খিনি কি লিখিছে? cotyledonary node ওপৰত?
হা, কৈ আছো। এই গুটেই red part খিনি নহয়? এই গোটেইটো এমব্ৰায়ো এই সেলটোৱে আলটিমেটলি এনেকুৱা স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ এটা ফৰ্ম কৰিলে ডিভাইড আৰু ৰিডিভাইড কৰি কি ফৰ্ম কৰিলে এমব্ৰায়ো ফৰ্ম কৰিলে so this is the embryo that I am drawing now hey embryo hole আৰু cotyledon hole tahator the point of attachment of the embryo and the cotyledon is called as what cotyledonary node right the part above the node this portion would be called as epicotyle and this would be called as hypocotyle in case of monocot this epicotyle পৰা যোনটো plumel arise কৰিব লাগে no the shoot portion will be covered with sheets of cells and the root portion of the radicle would also be covered with sheets of cells right when this portion shoot portion is covered with sheets of cells we use the word coleoptile and when the radicle is covered with sheets of cell we use the word coleorhiza the first point is in case of a dicot we use the word plumel and radicle but in case of monocots we do not use the word plumel and radicle instead we use coleoptile and coleorhiza is the point clear so question ahibo pare coleoptile the presence of coleoptile and coleorhiza is a characteristic of dash plants it's a characteristic of monocot plant is the point clear
yes ma'am
yes second
মানে প্লুমেল আৰু ৰেডিকেল ঢাকি থৈ নি কভাৰ কৰি থৈ
exactly second point is eta plumel of coleoptile ketia kom one radical of ami coleorhiza boli ketia kom when the coleoptile suppose this is the plumel part or the shoot portion from where the shoot will develop right if this is covered with sheets of cells they will have certain coverings right বহুত বিলাক cellor layer di covering হৈ থাকিব and that structure would be called as the coleoptile ইয়াৰ পৰা ultimately কি হ'ব leaf বিলাক আৰম্ভ হ'ব and this radical part would also be covered with sheets of cells and then we'll use the word coleorhiza coleoptile and coleorhiza is absent in dicots and present only in monocots clear
yes ma'am
মেম
ha
মেম হে ৰেড পাৰ্ট খিনি এমব্ৰায়ো ন
এই সেলটোৱে এইটো মিডল সেল ন এই মিডল সেলটোৱে ডিভাইড কৰি একদম বহুত ফৰ্ম কৰিলে বুজি পাইছা এইটো সেল ন এইটো
নহয় তাৰমানে এইটো ডায়াগ্ৰামত ৰাউণ্ড ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো তলত যেটো আছে ৰঙা পাৰ্টৰ তলত
এইটো এইটো বেসিল সেলটো এই বেসিল সেলটো থাকি যাব হা এইখিনি ৰঙাখিনি এনেকে বাঢ়ি যাব
হেৰ ডিজেনাৰেট
বেসিল সেল লাহেকে ডিজেনাৰেট হৈ যাব এটা পিছত আমি ডায়াগ্ৰামটো বেসিল সেল দেখা নাপাওঁ ফাইনালি আমি ডায়াগ্ৰাম কেনেকে দেখা পাম basal cells to obviously degenerate হৈ যাব so we will see something like this এটো coleoptile থাকিব এটো coleorhiza থাকিব হা আর তাতে এটো হ'ব cotyledon বুজি পাইছা আর এখিনিটো obviously আমি cotyledonary node বুলিয়ে কম লাষ্টত basal cell to degenerate হৈ যাব so this one is the cotyledon right and this is the coleoptile and this one coleorhiza clear is it clear any questions asile
ma'am coleoptile and coleoptile
ha coleoptile and coleorhiza coleoptile coleorhiza coleoptile কি হয় plumel surrounded by কি দেখা নাই ব্লাৰ হৈ গৈছে নেকি ভিডিঅ'টো?
Yes, ma'am.
ঠিক হ'ল এতিয়া ঠিক হ'ল এতিয়া
এতিয়া আকৌ দেখা পাইছানে?
মাজে মাজে তেনেকুৱা হয়, আকৌ দেখোতে আকৌ মানে অলপমান পিছতে আকৌ ঠিক হৈ যায়।
ফকাসটো নাইকিয়া হয় ন? এতিয়া দেখা পাইছানে নাই?
হয় মেম, yes.
So coleoptile, coleoriza. Coleoptile কি হয়? The pleural surrounded by sheet of cell. সেই structure-টোক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Coleoptile. Radical surrounded by sheets of cell. সেই structure-টোক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Coleoriza. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah, ask.
ma'am, terminal cell আৰু basal cell equal হয় নেকি?
Terminal cell will divide to form the cotyledon. Middle cell will divide to form the embryo, and the basal cell will degenerate. Clear?
মেম কোলিওৰাইজাটো ডেফিনেশ্যন ৰেডিকেল সাৰাউন্ডেড বাই sheet of cells হ'ব নেকি?
By sheets of cells. Oh, হ'ব. Yeah, what was the question? Was there anyone who was asking me a question? Okay. Now, in monocots, cotyledon কিমান থাকিব?
One.
Single, right? This single cotyledon, in case of, if you remember the maize seed, is called as scutellum. Remember this word, okay? Right? This cotyledon is called as scutellum, which is thin and papery, and it has negligible food reserve. Right? One example could be maize. So a cotyledon to kami ki boli ko? If you can see the board. So this cotyledon is called as scutellum, right? Yeah.
Ma'am, single cotyledon scutellum বুলি কোৱা হয় ন?
Yeah, single cotyledon is called as scutellum in case of monocots.
মেম পেপাৰি মানে কি হয়?
Papery. It's very thin. Cotyledon or kam ki? To provide nourishment because it has reserve food. If the cotyledon is big, then it will have more reserve food. If it is thin and paper-like, then obviously the food would be very less. Is it? Yeah.
It has
What is the question?
তাৰ পিছৰটো কি লিখিলে?
It has negligible food reserve. একেবাৰে কম খোৱা বস্তু থাকে. Right?
মেম ডাইকটত বেছি থাকে নেকি?
ডাইকটত দুটা cotyledons থাকে, দুটা cotyledons বহুত food থাকে.
মেম এটো পইণ্টটো আমি লিখি লিব পাৰিম।
লিখিব পাৰা, হা। So, এটা baby plant develop কৰিব লাগিলে from the seed, if a baby plant has to develop, then obviously it will require food. So, it will get the food from baby plant এর food ক'ৰ পৰা পায়?
cotyledon.
Only cotyledons or somewhere else also?
Endosperm.
Endosperm, very good. Cotyledons and endosperm, right? If suppose the cotyledon is very small and negligible, it has negligible food, then obviously it will take the food from the endosperm. We'll talk about it later. Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Today what we have discussed is we have talked about the structure of a dicot, development of a dicot embryo and the development of a monocot embryo. Right? One point that I have forgot, actually I did not forget, I missed to say. So, when we were talking about development of dicot embryo, remember we have talked about suspensor. Suspensor, 6 to 10 cell structure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the function of the suspensor, right? A suspensor to function key. Because we see later key only the hypophysis becomes more active and the last cells of the suspensor generally degenerates, right? But what is the function of the suspensor? So, we're talking about an ovule, right? Right? Okay. So see, this is the micropyle. Here we have the zygote, right? Zygote root, taller cell to ki asile? Basal cell that will form the suspensor. Yes? And this was the embryonal cell, yes or no? Or basal cell, whatever. Right? Terminal cell. Terminal cell, right? So this is the terminal cell, this is the basal cell. This basal cell will ultimately form suspensor. Terminal cell will form the proembryo. Yes? So structure to kenuka hobo, just look at the diagram, okay? This is the part that's clear, right? So here what we will see that proembryo here, that's 16 celled. Right? We will see the hypophysis. Right? Or first we'll see you can say this as suspensor itself. And hypophysis, it's a part of the suspensor, right? So we see that this part as the suspensor, this part as the proembryo. So what is the function of the suspensor? The function of the suspensor is it pushes this embryo towards the endosperm. Remember, we have talked about double fertilization and then we have said about endosperm development also. So inside this embryo sac, two types of developments are taking place. One is this embryo formation and next is also the endosperm formation, right? So this growing embryo requires food. So it will take the food from the endosperm. It is the suspensor. Is the point clear? So the suspensor pushes the proembryo towards the endosperm so that it can take the food. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And once its function is over, it will get degenerated.
Suspensor pushes the
proembryo towards the endosperm so that it can draw the nutrients from the endosperm. Growing proembryo requires nutrients. Nutrients endosperm, right? So that the embryo pushes, so that the embryo reaches the endosperm part. Because we have seen the development at this area. The proembryo needs to be lifted up. Lift suspensor cell will lift. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think we'll keep the wind up the class today up till here. Next class on, we have already talked about the development of the monocot embryo. Next, we'll talk about the structure of a dicot seed. Dicot embryo structure of a dicot seed. So now we have completed the development of the monocot embryo, and in the next class we will study about the structure of a monocot seed. that maize seed. I think you have already studied about it, but we'll talk about it in details. Okay. Any questions up till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What?
is it embryo cell to the divided dicotot that মানে dermatogen বুলি কিবা থাকে নেকি বাৰু?
The last layer. ঠিক আছে এই যে আমি yes এনেকে 16 cell এটা structure আঁকিছিলো ন right তাৰে যোনটো এই last layer of cells right human form কৰিব বুলি কৈছো dermatogen বা epidermis.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we will form the last layer of the cells. Will form the epidermis. And epidermis of the plumulus nathake no radicular to thakibo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last layer of the cell would form the dermatogen. Clear? Okay. Any more questions? Okay. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.